Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up Newbie Share on your Xiaomi Pad 5 device. So to do this, open Control Panel, then find here Newbie Share. It's here, click and hold on it. Wait a while, then just enable Newbie Share. Here you can change your device name. You need to make your device visible for contacts only or for everyone. In my case, I'll use everyone mode. Then change your data usage mode if you need. You can choose without internet mode, Wi-Fi only mode, or data usage mode. Data usage mode includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. And that's all. Now we can send and receive data using our Xiaomi Pad 5. How it works: on the another device, choose Share button, More, and Newbie button. Wait a while. You'll see hearts. You will see this your tab, your Xiaomi Tab 5 in this menu. Tap on it, wait a while and choose accept on your Xiaomi Pad device. Cool! Photo was sent and it looks great and fast. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye!